हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम आपके फोर्थ चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। फर्स्ट है टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। एनिमल्स दैट डिपेंड डायरेक्टली ऑन प्लांट्स फॉर देयर फूड आर कॉल्ड हर्बीवोरस। जो प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं, जो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स लेते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? हर्बीवोरस। नेक्स्ट है एनिमल्स दैट कैन लीव बोथ ऑन लैंड एंड इन द वाटर आर कॉल्ड एम्फीबियंस। वाटर और लैंड में रहने वाले जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? एम्फीबियंस। द एनिमल्स विच हैज बोट शेप्ड बॉडी इज द बर्ड। द एनिमल हु हाइड्स इन द surroundings by changing his color according is chameleon. Fill in the blanks. Dash breathe through gills. Fish. Terrestrial animals have well developed sense organs. Shark is a dash fish, carnivorous. Animals that live on other animals are called parasitic. The whale and elephants are safe because of their big size. Big size. Horse. Aerial bait. Herbivorous parasites. Mosquito. Carnivorous. Cat. Write 2 for true and F for false statement. A monkey can grip a branch of tree with its tail and hang down. True. Lizards are mammals. False. Chameleon can change its skin color. True. Terrestrial animals have thick skin to protect against the sun. True. Monkeys are aerial animals. False. Frog goes for a winter sleep. True. Give reasons. Polar bear has white fur because it cannot be seen easily against the white snow. Second है a cat has pointed tearing teeth because they help the cat to tear flesh. A bug has suckers because it sucks blood. A giraffe eats leaves from the top of trees because he has long neck. Some birds migrate to another place because surrounding, not suitable for them, circle the odd one, zebra, tiger, leopard, lion, zebra, mosquito, leech, crow or crow, Jack. It is carnivorous. First, second, zebra. It is herbivorous. And last, crow is, it is omnivorous. Answer the following question. What do you understand by adaptation? Adaptation से आप क्या समझते हैं? इसका आंसर हम देखेंगे. First, to meet their demands of shelter, food and surrounding. The different animal develop suitable character. These suitable character are called adaptation. Second है, what is the role of skin in animals of desert and cold places? The skin of animals live in desert and cold places are thick, it protect them to sunlight and cold. Third question है, how are crow useful to arboreal animals? Arboreal animals have sharp claw so that they can climbs the tree. Fourth question है, how does a snake adapt to move without legs? स्नैक बिना मुंह उसके कैसे चलता है? They have scale to help crawl. How a giraffe is adapted to its feeding habit? He has very long neck which help it in eating leaves from long branches of tree. What are carnivorous animals? Carnivorous animals क्या है? Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको नहीं करने हैं. What is parasites? Parasites क्या है? They live inside of the animals. 7th क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं करना है. What is hibernation? 9th करना है, 10th भी नहीं करना है. 9th का आंसर है some animals like frog, lizard cannot tolerate extreme cold, so they go for winter sleep. Called hibernation. कॉल्ड हाइबरनेशन. इसी के साथ आपके 4th चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर यही खत्म होते हैं. आज के लिए इतना ही. क्वेश्चन आंसर की पीडीएफ आपको ग्रुप में दे दी जाएगी. आपको उसी को देख के करना है, कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है. इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से पढ़ के इसको अच्छे से समझना है. अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू.